Starting around 13 July 2023. Especially Smooth Love Elixir generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.73% in very most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. SLP especially has a really complete market cap of $68,186,073, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,786,846, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This generally makes genuinely Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, in every way that really matters, positioning at 306 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the very Smooth Love mixture cost expectation end of 2023. What will in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Elixir, generally be genuinely worth in 2023? Which sort of is genuinely huge, is somewhat Smooth Love mixture, a sort of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will SLP cost really outperform its untouched high, which generally is very huge? These most certainly are our very Smooth Love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, showing how might SLP cost outperform its unequaled high, or so they by and large thought. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the in every practical sense, Smooth Love mixture estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost basically is supposed to cross an extremely normal value level of $0.002. The normal pretty least value worth of by and large Smooth Love Elixir, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to truly be $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, SLP can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.002, which really is genuinely huge. SLP value estimate July 2023. With respect to July 2023, fundamentally Smooth Love mixture generally is supposed to really arrive at an all things considered least value worth of $0.002, which sort of is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could basically arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.002, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.002, showing the way that the SLP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.002, with the in every way that really matters normal cost around $0.002, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love mixture value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of truly Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a truly least of $0.002 in a very huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir cost can generally arrive at a limit of $0.002, with the extremely normal cost of $0.002 in United States dollars in a by and large significant way. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, sort of Smooth Love mixture cost essentially is conjecture to explicitly arrive at a barely the least cost of $0.002 in a really significant manner. The SLP cost could in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $0.002, with the typical expected cost around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. SLP value estimate October 2023. The extremely Smooth Love mixture conjecture for October 2023 expects that the SLP may sort of arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.002 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0.002, which in a real sense is very critical. Discussing the really normal value SLP can basically stretch around $0.002 for October, or so they explicitly thought. SLP value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, beautiful Smooth Love Elixir basically is supposed to arrive at any rate value worth of $0.002, showing how is truly Smooth Love mixture a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.002, with the kind of typical cost around $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, kind of smooth love elixir cost truly is figure to explicitly arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0.002. Truly further appearance. How the SLP cost could truly arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.002, with the extremely normal expected cost around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could explicitly arrive at and in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0.002, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.002, showing how this sort of makes truly smooth love mixture. SLP, fundamentally positioning at 306 in the digital currency market, or so they essentially thought. Smooth love elixir pretty past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been truly diminished by 0.81% in its essentially current worth, so the SLP cost could especially arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.002, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $0.002. Assuming we in a real sense look at the by and large current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which truly is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture for the most part is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins in a very enormous manner. The SLP explicitly is down to nearly 5.16%. In the kind of most recent 7 days, the coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past kind of couple of days. The coin could essentially have most areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, or so they explicitly thought. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP by and large diminished by 45.500%. Wiping out an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.001 from its certainly current worth in an extremely enormous manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a very decent purchase, a potential open door for fundamentally fast venture, or so they in every practical sense thought. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 44.63%. And the cost for the most part circled from an especially least truly normal cost of $0.003 to fundamentally greatest essentially normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, so on the off chance that we look at the exceptionally current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, which really is genuinely huge. Smooth love elixir truly is somewhere near 20.93%. With the greatest typical cost of the coin truly was around $0.002, and the kind of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of especially was around $0.002 in especially beyond 4 months, which sort of is genuinely critical.